Hello, this is Daisy from the Woodcrest Library, and in this video we will be making a dinosaur egg craft. You will be able to pick up the following craft kit at the Woodcrest Library, and you'll need the following items at home. You'll need crayons and markers, a hole puncher, a glue stick, and a pair of safety scissors. Alrighty, let's get started with this craft. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut out your egg and your dinosaur. Alrighty, now that we have our egg and dinosaur cut out, we're going to go ahead and color our dinosaur egg and our dinosaur. Now that we have our dinosaur egg and our dinosaur colored in, we're going to go ahead and take our pair of scissors and we're going to go ahead and cut our egg in half along the line. Now we're going to go ahead and take our hole puncher and go ahead and hole punch a hole right where it says to hole punch. And the same for the top part of our egg. We're going to take the bottom part of our egg and we're going to go ahead and flip this around. And we're going to go ahead and take our little dinosaur and we're going to glue him on right here. Now that our dinosaur is glued in on the bottom part of the egg, we're going to go ahead and take our paper fastener and line up the top part of the egg at the bottom part of the egg where you punched out a hole. And we're going to go ahead and put the paper fastener through there and just go ahead and fasten those two sheets of paper. And there you have it. Our dinosaur egg craft is complete. Thank you for watching this video and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye!